Hello learners, here are bilingual exam focus notes on Sonnet 5 from Astrophil and Stella by Sir Philip Sidney, titled It is Most True That Eyes Are Formed to Serve, tailored for HPSC Assistant Professor Screening Exam. Philip Sidney, Sonnet number 5. Title is It is Most True That Eyes Are Formed to Serve. Taken from Astrophil and Stella sonnet sequence written by Sir Philip Sidney. First of all, we deal the summary in English, and the theme is conflict between reason and passion, mind versus love, and tone is philosophical, confessional, and reflective. And if we talk about structure, written in Petrarchan sonnet, 14 lines, octave and sestet. Content overview. The speaker, Astrophel, accepts that eyes are made to admire beauty and soul should follow reason and desire. He knows reason warns him against loving Stella blindly. Despite this knowledge, he chooses love over logic, surrendering to passion. The sonnet shows that Sidney's Renaissance conflict between moral duty and romantic emotion. If we talk about key points, Sidney uses logical argumentation to reflect internal struggle. He ends with a paradox. Though he knows love is irrational, he still loves. Famous line in this sonnet are true that true beauty, virtue is indeed, whereof this beauty can be but a shade. Meaning of this line is true beauty lies in virtue and physical beauty is only its shadow. And now we talk the summary in Hindi. टॉपिक इज तर्क और भावना के बीच का द्वंद्व, रीजन वर्सेस लव. इसमें भाव दार्शनिक, आत्मस्वीकारोक्ति, चिंतनशील. पेट्रार्कन सोनेट है, 14 लाइंस में लिखा हुआ है. ऑक्टेव एंड सेस्टेट. मेन पॉइंट्स. इस सोनेट 5 में वक्ता मानता है कि आंखें सौंदर्य की सेवा के लिए बनी हैं और आत्मा को तर्क का पालन करना चाहिए, ना कि कामना का. वह जानता है कि तर्क उसे प्रेम से सावधान करता है, फिर भी वह स्टेला से प्रेम करता है. प्रेम में हार मानकर वह स्वयं को भावना के हवाले कर देता है. यह सोनेट पुनर्जागरण काल के मानसिक द्वंद्व को दर्शाता है, नैतिकता और प्रेम के बीच को संघर्ष को भी बताता है. इसमें फेमस लाइन true that true beauty, virtue is indeed, whereof this beauty can be but a shade. इसका मीनिंग सच्चा सौंदर्य सद्गुण यानी वर्चू होता है और बाहरी सौंदर्य उसका केवल प्रतिबिंब होता है. Important exam tips. The sonnet reflects Sidney's classical education and humanist ideals. Good example of Elizabethan moral philosophy in poetry. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next sonnet, Sonnet 31 of Philip Sidney.